Welcome to Marble.com's Ridgefield Park, New Jersey location. Marble.com has been the leader in countertop fabrication for the last 2 decades, and it all started here. Located just 10 minutes from New York City, Marble.com's Ridgefield Park facility is easily accessible by car and public transportation. We are open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, and you never need an appointment. With over 400,000 slabs of stone and over 2,000 color varieties, our endless selection is second to none. We have marble, granite, onyx, quartz, quartzite, travertine, gemstone, slate, soapstone, limestone, and glass. We install thousands of projects per year, from kitchen countertops to bathroom vanities, bar tops, fireplace surrounds, and more. Marble.com uses the latest in cutting-edge technology to increase efficiency and ensure quick turnaround times, which means that you can have your kitchen in as soon as the next day. The amount of fabrication machines that we have here is unrivaled by any other countertop company worldwide. Because of our advanced technology, we are able to handle completely customized projects, no matter how complex. We've partnered with and import directly from quarries all over the world. Our expansive selection, from buying in such large quantities, allows our discounts to be passed down to you. Our knowledgeable and professional staff is able to guide our customers through the process from start to finish, providing enlightening design tips, structural advice, and various stone options tailored to your budget. We make sure that the final result of your project is what you've always dreamed of. Visit Marble.com in Ridgefield Park today to get started. For any further questions, please give us a call at 201-440-6779. See you soon.